Greetings, ladies and gents. Ilzy from Heathen Sen here, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we've got something nice and special. Something that I kind of didn't expect because, well, I didn't order it. It just came into the mail today, and I thought, what is this? So my partner said, oh, surprise, I got you something. I'm like, okay. So I opened up the box, and I was pleasantly surprised with this. Sauvage Elixir. This is one I've actually been kind of waiting for a bit. So we're gonna go and do an unboxing and first impression of this fragrance. So obviously, as you can tell, I already took off like the cellophane wrap and all that sort of stuff. But regardless, I'm gonna show you what it's all about. Okay, so I quite like this, like the way the box is and everything like that. It comes in a 60ml size and everything like that, and it's got this nice sort of Tom Ford, like private blend looking sort of box. And I quite like the way it opens, that nice sort of presentation. It's like in this base and everything like that. And you got that nice little bottle over here. Pretty awesome, nice and weighty, just like most of like the Sauvage bottles, little 60ml bottles, quite nice. Similar sort of, like the same sort of cap that you'd expect as well. The CD at the top, you got it at the bottom as well, and it's like quite indented there, so almost looks like it's got like a tiny amount of juice in it, but it is 60ml. What do you expect? Anyway, like with the box and all that sort of stuff, at the bottom of like that base, you have got the typical sort of, if you can see that there, the B, and the same thing actually, I think, oh no, it's not inside there, but anyway, regardless, let's go with the cap and everything like that. Same sort of cap you'd expect. It is the magnetic sort of one, and the bottle itself is not like quite like black. It's more like a really, really dark blue, because I can see the juice from here, so that's really a good thing. Definitely, at least I can sort of tell what level I'm at and everything like that. Now let's test the sprayer, and we'll give this a spray on my arm, and we'll go from there. Okay. Oh. Wow, typical sort of Dior sprayer, very nice. And ooh, okay. Let's give this a spray on my hand, and we'll take it from there. Oh, okay. So I don't quite know the notes. I know like maybe a couple of ones here now. I think it's like lavender, maybe nutmeg or something like that. I'll put the notes on the screen and we'll give this a smell. Ooh wee! Damn! Oh, this is earthy. Definitely feeling that lavender in there. I'm getting some, it's like, this is, okay, not quite Sauvage. Like, I can see like some things about it, like being Sauvage, sure. It could really stand on its own. Oh, holy crap. I'm getting like something nutty in there, like a, can't describe it. This is something different. This is not something I expect from like a typical Dior fragrance. Ooh, all right. Definitely a bit more mature, a bit more earthy, and I'm getting some like sort of spices there, some earthy spices. That lavender is in there, but it's like, it is there, but I think it's a little bit on the light side, at least for the moment. Wait until it sort of dries down a bit. I gotta give this some more wings. This is amazing. At least on first spray. Seriously though, like, I mean, okay, as I said, like, Sauvage, I mean, look, I wouldn't call this Sauvage. If anything, this has got to be on its own. This stands on its own, at least from, as I said, first smell. But like, look, I get why they put the Sauvage name on there. I mean, look, you know, Sauvage EDT, EDP, the Parfum, they sell like crazy, and they'd be crazy not to market this, you know, in the Sauvage line. You know, of course they want to do that. You know, get more sales, definitely. And I think honestly, if this is as good as I think it will be, this will sell like freaking hotcakes. Such a weird term, but I mean, it's a term. This has been my unboxing and first impression of Dior Sauvage Elixir. I hope you liked what you see and what you hear. If you do, please hit that like button and comment down below if you smelled this before, and feel free to ask me any sort of questions on my experience so far. I'll be doing a review on this very soon. Give this like maybe a good week or so of wearing and really get a good idea of what we've got going on inside this little bottle. Also, please hit that red subscribe button down in the corner there and hit that notification bell for more fragrant and men's grooming videos going straight to your feed. And remember, if you smell good, you feel good. Blessed be to you all, and I'll see you on the next video.